Hi everyone, welcome to Lake Garda, and thank you so much for joining us today. We went to visit the north end of Lake Garda, so of course we had to go thrifting. This little shop was packed with so many goodies. We have a great thrift haul to show you everything we bought. Look at this, so much crystal already. It was amazing. You never know what you're going to find when you go thrifting in Italy. You could find just about anything here. Clocks, crystals, could be just about anything. Beautiful crystal vase. Look at that for 10 euros and change. Awesome. And a duck, a stuffed duck behind it. This one on the left, look at that. Those are all incredible. So retro, cute, with all the wood trim. I love those. And that's not even my style either, but they're so cute. 18 euros and 5 cents. Not bad. And graceful, yes. It wasn't attached, so it's okay. But really cute wood stuff here at this shop as well. I think because this area, we're getting closer to Austria and all of those handcrafted wooden objects that are just so cute. Look at this, hand-painted flowers on the wood, excuse me. And look at little dolls on the left made out of wood and just everything. It's all so cute. I'm not sure that I would use a wood mortar and pestle like that. I don't know. But look at this. It's a little bank. How sweet is this? So cute. Less than 7 euros. Adorable. Oh, this. I just found out that these little iron-shaped things were actually just trinket boxes made out of wood or made out of porcelain. Happens to be in the shape of an iron. Okay. And here's two. I was very curious because I saw these and I thought, these cannot be real functioning irons. What are they? And yeah, they're not. That was 20 euros and change. They're just trinket boxes, but they're really sweet. And they're exactly the same shape, even down to the holes, as the box irons that we've been seeing that look similar to these in metal at other shops and markets that are there to put charcoal or metal in to heat up. But these were not for that use. Look at this, so many cute little things here. Adorable. This cute little ring bowl, jewelry bowl, less than 5 euros. Very sweet. Very cute bottles. Bottles are always good to have. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button so it can be shown to more people who will like it as well. Look at this blue color. It's amazing. So sweet. For 9 euros and change. So cute. You always find a really good assortment of plates at shops like this. Always. These were very interesting that they were glass, clear glass, but nestled inside colored plastic. Haven't seen that before. Love this little set with a tray. It's adorable. I just love that it has the tray attached, and it's less than 17 euro. This little blue guy, I came very close to buying this, but I didn't need it, so didn't buy it. He does match all of my blue stuff, but that's okay. How fabulous is this for your little hors d'oeuvres, your appetizers? Takes up the whole table. Limoncello is a very necessary thing here. And to find a little cute little set like that, very important. This set was cute and, shaped all together. Adorable. They had a lot of good little vases and teapots like this. A lot of good porcelain, like different things, including this little potpourri pot. So much goodness. This was a bargain and a half. Awesome. Awesome candelabra for 10 euros. Come on. And this one, it's a peacock. So cute. This teeny tiny little sewing machine. How adorable is this? Look how tiny it is for less than 25 euros. Very cute with the red cover. I wonder if it worked on batteries. I didn't even check. These great colors. 17 or 16.95 and 11.45. Another sweet little limoncello set, but with only 2 cups, you really got to plan that out strategically. How many cups are you going to need? time for a thrift haul. Lake Garda was amazing. It's the first time we've been, and we only did the top part of Lake Garda, and we found this amazing little shop in Rovereto. Things were so cheap. We bought a lot more than we normally do. I bought some stuff, my daughter bought some stuff. It was insane. It was really good, and we were so quick too. My daughter, first of all, she bought this adorable pair of prints with wooden frames. Each one was $7.25. Come on. Thinking good thoughts for her packing these in her luggage with the glass. We'll see how that goes, but really cute. And that was her first purchase. And her second purchase was this amazing candelabra for only 10 something. Normally you see candelabras this size and this detailed in Milan for 50 euros. And this was 10.50, I think. And look, you can make it more narrow like this. These move, they're articulated. So you could put it on like a narrow shelf, which would be amazing. Or there you go. Or you can make it perpendicular for a centerpiece. So good. For less than 11 euro. Are you kidding me? You never find that. It was an insanely good buy. And I bought two things. First is our new friend, Nigel. We've named him Nigel. We think he's a peacock. Look at his cute little face. Hello. He's a candle holder. And my daughter cleaned him up for me. He had some wax on him. Look, what a great job. He is so detailed. He's bronze, I think, bronze-ish. But he will be great candlestick friends with these two up here for the third in my collection. He's unique. Come on. Hello, Nigel. And the last thing I bought was this beautiful blue Limoges bowl for $9.15. Come on. Look at that bowl. It's that gorgeous, gorgeous, deep, deep blue color that I love so much. And it's, that deep, that size, you can use it for anything. So that is what we bought in Rovereto, and love it. Would definitely go back. And if you love thrifting and antiquing videos like this one, check out our playlist right there. We've got so many more. Thank you so much for joining me again, and see you next time.